Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subtitles for a video using CapCut. Subtitles are a great way to make your videos more accessible and engaging. So let's get started. First, choose a video that contains some voice or dialogue. Open the video in CapCut and then navigate to the captions option. Here, select Auto Captions and CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for your video. After a short wait, you'll see the subtitles appear on your video. Once the subtitles are generated, it's time to customize them. Go to the Style section, where you can adjust the font, size, color, and positioning of the subtitles to match the look and feel of your video. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added professional-looking subtitles to your video using CapCut. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Let's jump into the tutorial. If you want to change the style of your subtitles, simply click on Presentation. This option provides two key features: style selection. Choose a subtitle style that suits your video. You can adjust the font, size, and color to make the subtitles visually appealing. Templates. Explore the wide variety of templates available. There are plenty of templates to choose from. Just browse through and select the one that best matches the vibe of your video. After selecting a template, CapCut will generate a beautifully styled video with subtitles automatically applied. Take a moment to preview your video. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? Subtitles truly add a professional and polished touch to your content. I use this method to add subtitles to all my videos, and it never fails to impress. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials in my upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates.